Hi guys, this is Rajil Ansari back with another video, and today I'll be showing you how to install a zip that gives you a bunch of pixel features in one shot. This includes the pixel launcher, pixel dialer, new static wallpapers, boot animation, and even ringtones, notifications and UI sounds. You'll need a custom recovery to install this zip, and you'll have to be running on Android 6.0 or higher. I'd also recommend that you only try this if your phone is running a stock Android or an AOSP based custom ROM like Lineage OS. So let's get started. Reboot your device into recovery by pressing the key combinations. Now go to the download location. The link is in the description below. And swipe. Now reboot system. Now this is the new boot animation. And this is the new pixel launcher. And the pixel wallpapers app. And there are also new touch sounds which you will be able to listen. Just a second. I don't know that the sound is audible to you guys, so you can try it out on your phone. So guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment, like and subscribe.